our dearly departed.
Oh, thanks for choosing Miss Zircons. That is a popular one. Upgrades ready. Are you? You unlocked it, sugar! Bye now. Let me know when you find something you like.
Go, Riveting Kit! Save Sargasso! Wonder what Rivet's up to.
The Emperor was bad enough, but now that he has the Dimensionator...
We will not lose your friends.
So, if Ratchet is an alternate dimension me, and Clank is an alternate dimension you, were we meant to team up too?
They do seem happy together.
Yeah. Guess being on my own is just what I'm used to.
Me too.
So maybe this is just
Temporary.
Furious.
Is all this fighting really necessary? Can't we talk about this over some lemonade?
No! The Emperor despises lemonade! Nothing should be sour and sweet!
I am done with these guys. Nobody messes with the Morts.
The Emperor is truly the worst.
Interested in swarming your enemies with black holes of doom? Try the black hole storm.
What is best
in life? Love? Friendship? No. It is riddling your enemies with hundreds of bullets over and over again. The black hole storm takes a second to spin up, but when it does...
I do hate to see you go, sugar.
Hey, you done picking on the little guys?
Ah, love that. You shall suffer with them.
More of the Emperor's forces are here for us. I mean, you. All of these rifts. The Emperor has become even more dangerous with the Dimensionator.
Not over yet.
All enemies neutralized. Your friends are safe.
For now. Let's go talk to Mort and find out what's going on.
Rivet, you are just the best! We'll hold down the fort. You go down. Rivet to the rescue again! You got our backs and we got yours. Always.
Woohoo! A little too much hooty holler at me. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you! Always feel better when you're around, Brevin.
Aw, Rivet. Sorry you had to come save us again. We tried to hold our own, fixed up the Seekerpede and everything.
But one of those dimensional thingamajiggers is blocking it from taking off.
First off, none of this was your fault. Second, leave the thingamajigger to us.
Raise her up!
By the way, say hi to Kit.
Hey there, Kit. Any friend of Rivet is a friend of ours.
Hello.
That's Maynard, the Morts' helper bot. He'll lead us to the Seekerpede.
Attention, Sargasso. Emperor sends his warmest greetings with a subtle hint of condescending derision. Especially to Rivet.
Tell the Emperor he should come say hi himself.
Right. Or not. Either way.
The Emperor's not just going after the Morts.
He's taking out all life on the planet.
Come on, we have to keep following Maynard.
Rivet! It's a bit tasteless of you to disrupt my welcome wagon. Put a lot. Thought into it. I. Hope you don't mind I watch from a distance. I'm just exhausted from eliminating your allies.
I've seen better resisting, to be honest.
A lot of talk for a hologram.
Yeah, keep laughing. We'll see how you feel when we free the Seekerpede.
Sludge it! For a planet!
Emperor requires your immediate incarceration, loyal subject. Our troopers will assist in your compliance.
What is it about Lombax is that makes them so persistent? Even more annoying, believe me. What do you hope to do? Release that ramshackle Seekerpede? Oh, how quaint your little mind must be. Not you wait, Lambert. We're having expensive plans in store for Sargasso. Steady there, Doctor. We don't want to spoil the surprise now.
Surprise? Let's keep after Maynard. Let's keep following Maynard toward that Seekerpede.
So many ships. The Emperor's being very thorough.
It'll be okay. We'll free the Seekerpede and the fight will start going our way. It will.
Surrounded! You cannot stop me! Organic! Detected!
Here we come.
I am looking forward to examining that anomaly.
So, when I was with Clank, he...
It is just like what... I imagine.
Kit? Kit! Oh, you're all right.
This... Oh, this is an electric sphere.
Ah, you remembered your training. What happened to Clank?
He's traveling to Argolis with Ratchet. You two have met?
He's been helping me take care of these dimensional anomalies.
Oh, so that explains why this all feels so familiar.
It does? Fascinating. Some kind of dimensional deja vu. Anyway, care to help?
Absolutely.
Does that spinnergizer look powered down to you? Maybe it could use a boost.
Wow, feeling lighter already.
Does that Spinnergizer look powered down to you? Maybe it could use a boost. That's intriguing. The Spinnergizer converted the dimensional energy into action. You're just as fast a learner as Clank.
How bad are things now?
Well, we're circling the drain. It seems that the dimensional cataclysm has been intensifying even faster.
So, what do you think of Clank?
Oh, talented, resourceful, very shiny.
Agreed, agreed, agreed.
I can see why he'd be your counterpart.
What does that mean?
It's a compliment, kid, to both of you. What do you think of Clank?
We have barely spoken, but I am glad my counterpart is a good guy.
You were worried about that?
It is a reasonable concern.
Well, it wasn't for me. You're good. No, great. So of course he would be too.
Energizer could use some energizing. Spinergizer could use some energizing.
So if Clank is with Ratchet, does that mean you're here with Rivet?
As we have been destined to be.
Is that what you think is happening?
I do not know. With Ratchet, we worked well together, but I was always worried about disappointing him, and I still am with Rivet. But it also feels like we already know each other.
Well, destiny or not, I hope Rivet realizes how lucky she is to have you.
Super heavy energy? Faster.
Kit, you know that you've done better than I would have if I had been in your shoes, right?
What?
You went out into the unknown, without a lifeline, doing the... In that case, go us!
Go us. Zero gravity at my fingertips. That Spinergizer could use some energizing. That Spinergizer could use some energizing. That Spinergizer could use some energizing.
I am so proud of you. Well done.
I could not have done it without you, Gary.
there, kid. Now these jerks will really find out who they're messing with, don't you know? Push, please.
Nice work. Want to blow that up?
I could be persuaded.
Not exactly a straight line to the battlecruiser, but that hurl shot should get us closer.
You here for weapons or ammo? I'm betting both.
Oh, try to use my own speed against me. Oh, I do love watching others embarrass themselves.
Yes! How can you possibly hope to defeat Team Nefarious?
Right.
I'm coming for you!
Wracks has breached the cruiser!
Sorry to crash the party.
Wracks has breached the cruiser!
Sorry to crash the party. How do we sink this thing?
Maybe there's a way to damage its power source.
Good thinking. Let's look around.
Oh, brilliant! Brilliant! It's Emperor! But the fight is only just beginning. Keep going.
This should do the trick.
You there, Ribbit? We locked on the kid's signal. Trudy's coming to help. Just hop on her back.
Interesting, shall we? All cruisers, activate your destructor beams.
Planetary devastation!
Did he just say planetary devastation?
Ribbit, our equipment's going haywire. The cruisers are blasting straight through the planet's crust.
Those destructo beams can destroy an entire planet in mere minutes. The Emperor is going to wipe out all of Sargasso.
He can try. I'm not not gonna let him destroy my home.
You leave the mothership to us, Rivet. We'll keep her busy with our pesky syncope.
Oh, a cruiser's been destroyed. I'm devastated. Whatever will I do? Shields up, my darling battle cruisers.
Shields? Ah! It just couldn't be easy.
Those shields are impenetrable to any weapon we have. I do not know how we will get past them.
Hey, we threw together some bombs out of our gelatonium stash that should help you take down those shields. Rudy can pick them up and toss them at the cruisers.
There are the bombs Mort mentioned. Let's grab one. Their shields hold up against one of these.
I want SARGASSO broken!
Oh, jeez. Things are rumbling and tumbling down here, Rivet. We are all counting on you two.
Trifle thinks she can stop us! Concentrate all power on the planet. Destroy it all!
Rivet, the battle cruiser's destructo beam is moments away from breaching the planet's core. You must stop it.
We'll stop it together. Come on, Trudy.
You did it.
We did it.
There they are!
Hey!
Rivet and Kit! Rivet and Kit!
All right. You're welcome.
Mort, break out the lemonade. We're getting crazy tonight.
Another unlikely win just in time to cross you off the list. Off to Zordu prison you go. Oh, who needs tradition? Let's spice things up.
We appear to be in a pocket dimension.
Luckily, the all-knowing Emperor didn't realize I know exactly how to get out of him. No, too far. Come on, Rifts, work with me here.
You two seem to have a lot of history.
Yeah, you could say that. I've fought a long time to win our galaxy back. Lost friends, my arm.
The Emperor did that?
Oh, not exactly. It happened during a mission. I'd found a secret entrance into the Emperor's tower. So I tried to sneak in, alone. The door was right there. I didn't notice one of Nefarious' warbots was nearby. I thought I could run. I wasn't fast enough. Then it just stopped. I got away before it could finish the job. But I built myself this cool new arm, so it's not all bad.
Rivet.
That's fine. Hey, look! An exit! Check this out. Hey, Ratchet! Sargasso's safe and sound. Well, mostly. Any good news?
Oh, good. We talked to Quantum and got a bug off of him. Guess who can listen in to the Emperor?
Let's meet at Zerky's. This might be our chance to get ahead of them.